When evolution meets excellence, a new era of assault rifles is born. This is the SIG Sauer MCX Spear, a rifle engineered for the future, forged through battlefield demands. First, weight. Despite its rugged build, the MCX Spear trims the fat. The 16-inch configuration clocks in at just 7 pounds, 7 ounces unloaded, half a pound lighter than its Virtus predecessor. That lightweight handguard and barrel profile make it feel agile, responsive, perfectly balanced in the hands. Next, effective range. Although exact numbers aren't public, the Spear platform delivers precision beyond typical short barrel rifles. It's built for effectiveness across 300 to 500 meters, bridging the gap between CQB and extended reach. This level of accuracy places it well within the elite class of modern combat carbines. Muzzle velocity military-grade rifles in this family can launch rounds at speeds around 915 meters per second. The MCX Spear LT, with its optimized barrel, brings that velocity into a lighter, more compact package, ensuring each shot lands with power and speed. Picatinny rail system modularity is at the core of the Spear LT. A full-length top rail and M-lock slots at 3, 6 and 9 o'clock let operators mount optics, grips, lasers, whatever the mission demands. The sleek ergonomic design ensures customization without compromising durability. Caliber options. The MCX Spear LT is a master of adaptability. It's offered in 5.56 by 45 mm NATO 300 AAC blackout configuration. This weapon has interchangeable barrels and components for swift conversion, delivering flexibility across mission types and ammo availability. Fire options at its heart is a short-stroke gas piston rotating bolt action, a system known for reliability and smooth firing. It's available in semi-automatic and select fire variants, giving operators the choice between precise shots or rapid response when the situation demands. Magazine capacity feeding from standard AR-style 30-round magazines, the MCX Spear LT stays battle-ready through the longest firefights. Its design also ensures smooth transitions and fast reloads when seconds count. Lightweight yet lethal, modular yet mission-ready. The SIG Sauer MCX Spear LT stands at the forefront of modern rifle design. Engineered for today's battlefields, adaptable for tomorrow's. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap in infantry capability. This is Jonathan Walters, and you've been watching Uncover History. Stay tuned for more hard-hitting defense analysis, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.